Guys, I think we're looking at one of the most anticipated pocket creator cameras of 2026 because after seeing the specs of this thing right now guys, medyo napapaisip talaga ako. So isipin nyo, it's a pocket camera pero meron siyang dual Leica lens system. Again, that's a Leica lens system, 1-inch sensor, 8K Dolby Vision recording, a dedicated telephoto lens system, an AI tracking system at the same time, and ito yung pinakamalupit. It has a detachable OLED screen. And honestly, paper specs pa lang, sobrang promising na po nito. Kaya tara guys, tignan natin kung bakit sobrang daming creators right now ang excited para sa bagong Insta360 Luna Ultra. Once again, this is Afante, also known as Kuy James, and now, James Rivet. Pag-usapan natin yan. So, again, big shoutout kay Insta360 for sending us the early unit. And again, this is their first ever pocket camera system na nilabas. So, ito po yung box nila, just you can see. Very detailed siya. Isa-isa po natin i-discuss sa inyo. So, excited na ako. And by the way, kaya ko ito ina-unbox right now because dadaling ko po ito bukas sa ating China trip. And that's gonna be for our upcoming full review. Since this video is gonna be for our first impression, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Meron siyang letter na kasama which actually says here that it's a new chapter with Leica, no? And kasama pa yung signature ng founder ng Insta360 and at the same time yung vice president ng business unit of Leica system, guys. So, very interesting. By the way, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam guys kung ano po yung Leica, it's basically yung Rolex ng mga cameras. Ang mamahal po ng mga camera na guys. And seeing that brand, no, in something like this na very affordable that everybody can have is just a status symbol at the same time, guys. So, actually, ang tagal ko na pong tinitingnan tong product na to and ang dami ko na pong nakikita na nagpo-post nito online and isa to sa mga produkto talaga na inaabakan ko rin po personally kasi alam nyo naman ako, mahilig tayo sa cameras, mahilig tayo sa content creation, and kapag may lumabas sa produkto na may potential makatulong sa mga creators katulad natin, automatically interested talaga ako dyan. But again, right off the box, no, meron siyang manual dito which technically, nandito yung mga instructions which definitely hindi naman natin siya binabasa. It has it has a sticker which I actually personally like. Really nice. The transparent and yellow and black na signature nila. A warranty card, a thread handle, and a safety guidelines card. Again, put that aside. Meron pa ba siyang kasama? Okay, I think wala na. Wait, parang kapal nito. Ba to? May laman pa ba to? Okay, wala siyang laman guys. Okay, so next. Ang ganda lang ng box niya kasi magnetic siya. Yes, it's magnetic but wala siya masyadong laman, no? So I think they invested on the packaging. So, right out of the box is the unit itself. Ito po mismo yung kanyang cage, no? And we're gonna figure out kung paano siya tanggalin. Meron siyang unlock button here. They stick that. Kung anong mangyari. Tama ba ako? Tama ba ako, James? Okay. Yan! Whoa! There we go. Wow! Iba yung quality niya, guys, sa personal, ha? Medyo mas solid yung quality niya, no bias compared sa ibang brands out there. It has a... Okay, sorry guys, nag-enjoy ako, wait lang. It has a parang bottom part niya na which actually also act as a tripod. Kakaiba yung system niya guys. First time ever ko makatry ng ganitong tripod. Look at that. And ganun siya kaganda. And what is this? Very interesting. Medyo malambot siya. Ano kaya to? This is a foam na hindi ko pa alam as of now kung para saan to. Malalaman natin maya onte. And it has a Type-C which I believe gonna be for charging and data transfer, guys. So, pag tinignan mo yung specs ng pocket camera na to, parang actually mararamdaman mo na agad na this is not an ordinary pocket camera. Now, let's talk about the future na unang tumalon sa mata ko, yung camera system. Guys, again, this is co-engineered with Leica. At alam naman natin kapag narinig mo na yung Leica, automatic image quality agad yung nasa isip mo. Ang mas interesting dito guys, hindi lang siya isang lens. Dalawa po siya. You get number 120mm lens and number 2 a 120mm telephoto lens. At dito ako medyo na-excite kasi normally kapag compact pocket camera ang gamit mo, isang perspective lang ang meron ka. Pero dito kay Insta360 Luna Ultra, parang ang may dalawang camera all-in-one. Pwede ka mag-wide, pwede ka mag-zoom, pwede ka mag-portrait style shots, and pwede ka rin mag-telephoto compression. And honestly, for creators, sobrang laki ng bagay na to. Now, hindi lang doon nagtatapos kasi yung sensor guys ng Insta360 Luna Ultra is a 1-inch sensor. Guys, sa camera world right now, this year 2026 or even from year 2025, camera sensor is everything. Kasi dito po nanggagaling yung capacity ng camera kung gaano siya detailed, gaano kaganda yung dynamic range, low light performance, or yung overall image quality. At ito yung reason kaya sobrang daming creators ang excited dito sa device na to. Hindi sila nagtipid sa tinatawag nating image system. Tapos dagdagan mo pa nung tinatawag nilang 8K Dolby Vision recording. Honestly, ito yung feature na pinaka-excited akong makita. Kasi sa panahon right now, hindi lang resolution ang labanan. Mas importante minsan yung colors, yung highlights, yung shadows, or overall cinematic look guys ng device na to. At kung maganda ang implementation guys ng Insta360 dito sa device na to, nako, sobrang interesting ng pwede maging output nito. Now, ito yung feature na feeling ko maraming creators ang makaka-appreciate nito. Yung 120mm telephoto lens. Guys, 120mm telephoto lens sa pocket camera, actually medyo wild talaga yung bagay na yun. Kasi normally kapag gusto mo makakita ng ganito klaseng perspective na very tight, you need a very big setup. Pero dito sa Insta360 Luna Ultra, naka-built-in ka na. At kung creator ka, alam mo na agad yung pwede mo maging advantage dito. Mas magiging compress yung background, mas magiging cinematic yung framing, mas natural guys yung tinatawag nating depth o yung blur. At the same time, it will give you a more premium content style. And honestly, feeling ko, ito yung isa sa pinaka-underrated features ng Insta360 Luna Ultra. Now, another thing that actually caught my attention is yung processing system po niya. And according to Insta360, this device uses a triple AI chip architecture. At isa sa main purpose po nito is improving the image quality and low light performance. And alam naman natin na low light is one of the biggest challenges sa mga cameras of all time guys. Kaya nung nakita ko to na ito yung pinag-isipan ng Insta360, napaisip agad ako kasi combine mo Leica options, Leica cameras, 1-inch sensor, triple AI processing. At least on paper, honestly guys medyo sobrang promising yung magiging low light performance ng camera na to. Now syempre guys, 2026 na po. Hindi pwedeng walang AI. The Luna Ultra comes with AI deep tracking system and a AI rapid focus system. Meaning mas matalino siyang sumunod in terms of objects. At para sa mga creators na madalas nagsusolo shoot, katulad natin guys sobrang laking tulong po neto. Kasi hindi naman tayo palaging may cameraman guys out there. Minsan tayo lang, cameraman lang, at ikaw lang, at nagko-content ka lang. Kaya kung maganda yung tracking system neto, I think it's gonna be very useful sa real world use. Now, guys, ito yung isa sa pinaka-unique features ng camera na to right now. Yung screen po niya mismo, guys, look at this. It's detachable. Meaning, pwede mo siyang tagalin and gamitin as a remote display. And honestly, napaka-creator friendly po ng feature na to. Kasi imagine, kahit malayo yung camera, pero nakikita mo pa rin guys yung frame right now here sa screen. Nakokontrol mo pa rin yung settings, napapagalaw mo yung camera. Guys, grabe. Feeling ko maraming creators ang matutuwa dito. Especially guys yung mga solo content creators. And just to let you know, this OLED screen also acts as a microphone already guys. Meron po siyang mic dito guys. So pwede mo siyang gamitin kung nagko-content ka. For example, ganyan. Hi, this is James Afante, whatsoever. Hawak mo yung screen, hawak mo yung mic, hawak mo yung controls. Now, battery life naman tayo. According sa specs na dineclare ng Insta360 Luna Ultra, the Luna Ultra can go up to 4 hours of battery life, which honestly, mukhang solid naman considering na meron kang again dual lens system, AI processing, 8K recording, and a detachable display with a separate battery pa yon. At para sa mga karamihan po ng creators, mukhang I can say enough na to for normal shooting sessions. So, after seeing and hearing and knowing everything, honestly guys, gets ko na kung bakit sobrang daming creators ang excited para sa camera na to. Kasi hindi lang siya basta pocket camera. Parang sinubukan nila pagsamahin ang portability, image quality, telephoto shooting, AI features, creative workflow, and Leica system. Sa isang maliit na katawan, lahat ng yun meron ka na. At kung titignan mo again yung specs niya, talaga namang napaka-ambitious ng magandang product na ginawa guys ng Insta360. And honestly, isa to sa mga camera launches this year 2026 at talagang gusto kong matest ng mabuti. Especially yung 8K Dolby Vision, telephoto lens system, night scene performance, portrait performance, and macro performance. Kasi feeling ko, dito natin talaga makikita kung gaano kalakas ang tinatawag nilang Insta360 Luna Ultra. So yun guys, that's for this one. And just to let you know, there might be a potential giveaway of the Insta360 Luna Ultra guys sa ating full review coming very soon guys. So once again, this is James Afante. Make sure nakasubscribe ka, naka-turn on notification bell mo. Comment mo sa baba kung anong pinaka-nagustuhan mo on the Insta360 Luna Ultra, also known as Kuya James, and now James 2.0. See you on the next one.